This is Jimit Shah and welcome to the Gym's Automation. So today we'll see the practical of different types of outputs. Please note we have already covered our different types of practical outputs, latch and unlatch, right? But it's latch and unlatch, and the normal output. So let me explain in our control panel how you can understand practically, right? So for that, first you need to understand inputs and outputs. We have three inputs as of now. First push button, input number one, this is input number two, second, and input number three is the third push button. So these are the first, second, and third. Okay, first input, second input, third input, which is connected to my input terminals of my PLC. And output, we have two outputs. Output one is a red LED light, output two is my green LED light. So this is my red LED light output number one, and output number two is my green LED light, which is connected to my outputs terminal of this PLC. Correct? So I have already downloaded the program. Let me open this on your RSLogix. So this is the program. Please note this is input 1, input 2, and input 3. First, second, and third green push button. Output 1, output 2, and this is latch. See, we have used normal output with this input. So let's understand the first rung as of now. Ignore these two rungs as of now. First push button, if I press, this will be on. If I remove this, this will be off. Okay, so let's press. See, red LED light is on. It is also on. If I remove this, it is off. This is also off. Right? If I press once again, it is on. Here also it is on. If I release it, it is off. My LED light is also off over here. Now why? Because this is my normal output coil. Okay, this is my normal output coil which is connected with a red LED light. Now if you check out our second rung with the green push button, second green push button, which has output of latch. Can you see we have used this latch output over here? Okay, this is my green LED light. So as we understood in our previous class, if I press this, my output will be on permanently. Then this will be independent from my input. So let's check. Input 2, I'm pressing this. This is my input 2, right? So I'm pressing this and I'm releasing it. My output is on. Can you see? It is also input 2 is on once, then my output is on. This is showing you a green line because of the same address, otherwise this is not executed. So ignore this as of now on the third rung. Okay, so now if I press this, how many times doesn't matter. Let's see, if I press this how many times doesn't matter. My output will be on permanently. See, I'm pressing it, releasing it, pressing it, releasing it, pressing it, releasing it. Okay, nothing is happening over here, right? My output is on permanently now, right? My output is on. Now if I want to turn off this output, we have used this button with the help of unlatch instruction, which is input number 3. This is input number 3. So if I trigger this, my unlatch instruction with the same address, please note we have used the same address O:0/2. So this is also O:0/2. So now if I press this, as we have connected with the unlatch instruction, so this will be turned off then. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this is my input number 3. See, it is released. My output is also off, right? If I press this again, nothing will happen. See, it is already unlatched, right? It is already unlatched. If I press, now how I can turn on this output 2 once again? So I need to turn on this. If I press this and release it, my output is on. If I release, if I want to stop, this is the stop push button. Start, stop, right? So this is how this is the difference between different types of output. This is my normal output, this is my latch output, this is my unlatch output. Okay, so normal output is independent, sorry, dependent on your input. If it is on, this is on. If it is on, this is on. If it is off, this is off, right? My latch output is like something like your push button. So if I press this, this will be on permanently, then it will be independent from your push, from your inputs. And then after, if you want to turn off this, you have to trigger unlatch instruction with the help of another push button, another switch. This is on, and this is my latch, this is my unlatch, correct? So that's it. This is how you can understand the practical of your different types of output, which is latch, unlatch, and normal. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you.